Hello everyone. Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is India-Singapore ties. This topic relates to international relations section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. The Prime Ministers of India and Singapore met in Delhi to discuss strengthening bilateral relations. They agreed on a detailed roadmap aimed at enhancing cooperation in several key areas. Now, let's discuss the key highlights of this meeting. India and Singapore discussed cooperation in 8 key areas: economy, skill development, digitalization, sustainability, connectivity, healthcare, people-to-people exchanges, and defense and security. They also signed agreements to support India's semiconductor industry and enhance collaboration in emerging technologies like AI, quantum computing, and automation. India expressed its interest in participating in the Malacca Strait Patrol to enhance maritime security. Both sides agreed to review the Comprehensive Economic Cooperation Agreement and ASEAN FTA to boost trade. The leaders inaugurated the second phase of Bharat Mumbai Container Terminal to enhance infrastructure and container handling capacity. Celebrate Teachers' Day with Drishti Teaching Exams. We are offering an exciting sale with up to 50% off all online courses of Drishti Teaching Exams. Plus, enjoy a 25% discount on books and test series. This amazing offer is valid only on 5th and 6th of September, so don't miss out. For more details, call us at 87501 87501. Now, let's discuss the India-Singapore relations. India and Singapore share strong historical, commercial, and cultural ties, with Singapore being one of India's largest trade and investment partners in ASEAN and the leading source of FDI into India. Both countries focus on regional stability and maritime security, elevating their relationship to a strategic partnership in 2015 and signing key defense agreements like the Defense Cooperation Agreement and the Naval Cooperation Agreement. India and Singapore collaborate in AI, fintech, biotech, and sustainable urban development, with initiatives like the DST-CII India-Singapore Technology Summit and ISRO's launch of Singapore's first micro-satellite. The two nations share a rich cultural heritage, with Singapore's expertise in infrastructure development contributing to India's smart city projects. Now, it's time to practice a question. Consider the following statements regarding the India-Singapore relations. 1. Singapore is one of India's top source for FDI. 2. Both countries cooperate in areas including economy, skill development, and defense and security. Which of the above statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Please provide your answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.